Tonight's Pick a Card Tarot reading is for love. Ang tanong natin ngayon is, how does your person feel about you? This reading is very timeless. Tinatanong niya ng kahit sino. Pwede niyong balikan kung kailan. Kung kailan mo napanood to, that's when Spirit wants you to hear this message. Sa harap mo, imagine you have 3 cards. Card number 1, card number 2, and card number 3. Trust your intuition. Kung alin ang una mong napansin, iyon ang mensahe para sa'yo. Card number 1, kung ito yung napili mo, ito yung The Knight of Rings, the late bloomer. Kung napili mo to, The Knight of Rings or the late bloomer, sa card na to, makikita natin ang isang swan at isang duck. Sabay silang lumulutang sa tubig pero mas nauuna yung swan. And immediately, ito ang nararamdaman ng person mo tungkol sa'yo. Pakiramdam niya, magkaiba kayo. Hindi dahil masama ka, kung hindi dahil he or she feels small beside you. So you might be someone that carries yourself with an effortless grace. May effortlessness ka. Parang natural lang sa'yo maging ikaw. At dahil doon, may pagka-intimidated itong person mo sa'yo. So, maaaring nahihiya siya, maaaring may tendency siyang manliit ang loob niya kapag ikaw yung kaharap niya. So, this is not a rejection energy. This is yung tipong torpe energy, let's just say. The Knight tells us something important. Hindi na siya bata pagdating sa pag-ibig. Hindi siya immature sa pag-ibig. Meron na tong experience when it comes to it. Pero hindi pa rin siya totally in control of yung emotions niya. He or she is still figuring out kung ano ka ba talaga sa buhay niya. And yes, merong feelings. Pero hindi pa niya kayang aminin sa ngayon. Kung ikaw ang pumili ng card na to, the advice is simple but not easy. Let time reveal their intentions. Sabi nga ni Jeffrey Archer, only time can tell. Sa panahon ngayon, sanay na tayo na mabilis, instant ang replies, instant validation, instant clarity, instant communication. Kapag walang obvious na actions, iniisip natin, wala na tong interest sa akin. Pero this card says na hindi minamadali ang lahat ng totoong bagay. Ulitin ko, hindi minamadali ang lahat ng totoong bagay. Even if magkaiba kayo ng background, magkaiba kayo ng personality or pacing, kung para sa isa't isa kayo, magkakatagpo pa rin kayo ng landas. Let's relate this to the K-drama, The Interest of Love. Si Sang-soo tsaka si Soo-young, yung main characters doon, years of longing, years of misunderstanding, situationship, hot and cold relationship, missed chances. Pero after everything, nagkita ulit sila ng parehong buo na ang loob nila. Wala nang insecurities, wala nang emotional baggage. At iyon ang energy ng late bloomer. Hindi late dahil mali. Late dahil nahinog na. So kung card number 1 ang napili mo, trust divine timing, let them meet you when they are finally ready to stand beside you and not behind you. Kung resonate ito sa'yo, update me sa comments, binabasa ko lahat. Sa card number 2 naman, you have the 2 of Roses. This is the date card. Kung napili mo ang card number 2, ito na yung card na hinihintay ng marami. May inaantay ka bang message or chat or tawag, a personal invite? Because this card shows a hand na nagre-reach out offering you an invitation. Midweek man ngayon, pagod lahat sa trabaho, sa bahay, or sa studies man yan, this card says, someone wants to make time for you. So, maaaring coffee date yan, maaaring late night food trip, maaaring movie, or simpleng kita lang tayo. Hindi ito grand gesture, pero sincero siya. So, the roses are universal symbols of romance, attraction, and blooming feelings. At sa numerology naman, ang number 2 ay tungkol sa balance, sa union, mutual interest. Pinagsama mo ang roses at number 2, and that's romantic reciprocity. How does your person feel about you? Definitely, they are interested, they are curious, and they are ready to explore. So this could be someone na gustong makilala ka pa, hindi lang sa chat, kundi sa totoong buhay. And the advice here is simple. Be open, be receptive, allow the back and forth. Hindi mo kailangan pilitan ang future, hayaan mo munang mag-bloom yung moment. Kung card number 3 naman ang napili mo, this is the producer card. So traditionally known as the magician. And this is powerful. How does your person feel about you? They feel capable now. Sa traditional na symbolism ng magician sa Rider-Waite-Smith deck, nasa harap niya ang lahat ng tools, the cup, the wand, the sword, the pentacle. At ang ibig sabihin nito, may resources na siya, may clarity na siya, at may timing na siya. Kung dati, hesitant siya or nagdadalawang isip pa siya, ngayon meron na siyang confidence. This card tells us that your person feels that everything is finally aligning. Yung feelings nila, yung courage nila, yung lakas ng loob nila, at yung mga circumstances or yung mga sitwasyon na nag-a-align sa buhay ninyong dalawa. Hindi ito admiration galing sa malayo. Kaya ka na niyang ipaglaban, kaya ka na niyang piliin, kaya ka na niyang lapitan na malinaw ang intention niya. The magician does not wait for luck, he creates the moment. So kung card number 3 ang napili mo, I'm excited for you kasi they will put an initiative, you can expect effort, expect someone who is ready to act and not just feel. Pero reminder lang ha, the magician works best kapag ang intentions ay clear. So always stay grounded, i-observe mo yung actions niya, and let their consistency speak. So yun lang, kung anumang card ang napili mo, remember this, love doesn't always arrive loudly. Minsan dumarating ito sa tamang oras, sa tamang lakas ng loob, sa tamang pagkatao. Kung gusto mo pa makarinig ng magical guidance in the everyday, subscribe here and stay with me. Until next time, trust your intuition and trust that what's meant for you will always find its way back. Bye for now.